The MSU Horticulture Gardens are proud to serve the local community. The gardens are largely funded privately. Our staff is largely funded by donations, a combination of our endowments, our plant sale, weddings, all the different things that we do to raise money to help support these gardens.
Both of our yards are filled with plants and flowers that we have purchased from here. We decided to join and be members so we could come to the Friday night sale. So we've been coming ever since. We haven't missed one.
No,
So,
not one. We look forward to it. When you come in, everybody's glad to see you. You know,
friendly
it's-
place.
Yeah.
Everyone here is very helpful. We just love it and encourage others to come and enjoy it. It's great.